You can't always see him, but you know when he's flowing. See, electricity is the source of power. Without it, your lamp can't shine, no matter how beautiful, expensive, or well designed it is. That lamp represents us, you and me. See, God is the source. We are the resource. We've got the capacity and the potential, but without connection to the source, we just sit in darkness. Now, here's where it gets deep. Between the source and the lamp, there's wiring, a conduit running behind the scenes. You don't always think about it, but it's what allows the current to flow. That's the universe, a divine system created by God with laws, principles, and patterns already set on autopilot. Gravity doesn't need a reminder to work. The earth doesn't need an alarm clock to rotate around the sun. And the same goes for the spiritual laws that God put in motion. They just work as they were designed to every time without fail. But here's the key. The lamp doesn't light up just because it wants to. It lights up when it's plugged in. That's us. You can have dreams and talent, potential and purpose. As a lamp, you can even be sitting in the right room, on the right table. But until you plug into the source, you'll never see your full brilliance, what you were designed to be. Because the power has always been there. The light has always been inside, but connection is what activates it. So the next time you feel stuck, dim, or directionless, don't go looking for more wattage. You don't need a new bulb. You just need to plug back into the power that's already flowing within you. Because when God is your source and you're connected by faith, obedience, and alignment, you will shine. That's why, to me, God is like electricity. Plug in.